Welcome. This is Tony the Wizard, 2498 channel. I am on socials. That's my name for all socials. Kick, Twitch, YouTube, whatnot. Let's see what else. Instagram, Facebook, all those 6 socials. I am on there as Tony the Wizard, 2498. Go and follow and subscribe and like. Today we'll be opening up a Royal Blood One Piece card game. 6+ years. OP10. This is, I want to say, one of the cheapest sets out there, if I'm not lying. So let's get into the Kraken Lakin and let's get the Bandai Namco show going. These all like One Piece. I do too. That's why I want to do one of these for you guys. Okay, we got a Bellamy. We got a Isho. We got a Emporio Ivankov. We got a Usopp. We got a Frankie. These are like thick cards. We got a Gum Rhino Schneider. But the artwork is amazing to these. We got a Caesar Soldier. That's nice artwork. We got a Kozuki Momonosuke. We got a Trafalgar Law. We got a nice Damned Punk card. What's next? Okay, we got a Marco. And we got Your Turn plus 1000. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Let's get it going for the next one. Like and subscribe for more. And if you want me to open a whole box of these, like and subscribe for more. Deuces.